Hey guys, type here for which you are looking for. Today we are looking for to download how to download the PUBG Mobile in your PC or how to play it. Now type here in your just first of all open your web browser and type there for which you are looking for. Now for the opening page, the first link given, then click on it, and this is the smallest in size and smallest emulator for storage which you can for which you can every PC can used by this. Now click on download and this is opened. Now open it. Here I have opened it, and this is opened. That this is you looking for. Now here you can also download PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty and other games. First of all you have to log in here, and then you can play every of your desiring games, and from here you can download. Hence therefore, thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel.